Hello, Badgers. So we've looked at analog time, and when I say analog time, I mean the traditional clock there. Okay. Now, what we see more and more of in this day and age is a digital clock, and we can find digital clocks on our phones, on our laptops, on our tablets. Lots of computer devices, electronic devices now display digital clocks. You can get digital alarm clocks as well. Okay. So we need to understand what that looks like. Now, digital clocks tend to use the 24-hour clock, okay? Which is a little bit different to the normal analog clock you find up on your wall in the classroom, okay? So it looks something like this. And what I've got displayed at the moment is 0000, which means in digital terms, midnight or the start of a new day, okay? So 12 o'clock at night. If you see that on your digital clock, you know it's the very start of a brand new day, 12 o'clock, midnight, okay? Or 12 a.m. Now, as we move through the hours, the hour section will change. Now, this section here is the hour section, and this is the minutes, okay? So, when I say 24-hour clock, I mean it goes all the way up to 24 hours. So, as we move through the day, it will move up. So, if I click here, hour, it's now 1 a.m. in the morning. 2 a.m, 3 a.m, 4 a.m, 5 a.m. in the morning, 6 a.m, 7 a.m, around the time maybe you may get up for school, 8 a.m, 9 a.m, time you come in for school, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 midday, okay, that's lunchtime for us. Now that looks different to 12 a.m, okay, 12 a.m. at 000, start of a new day. This is now halfway through the day, midday, as we call it, okay? And it's got the 12 instead of the 0. So if I keep going, this you'll start to see a difference. Oh, let me just go back a touch. Now, that says 13:00. Now it's not 13. It's not 13 o'clock, okay? That actually is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But it's gone from 12 to 13 because we use the 24-hour clock, okay? So in the afternoon, it becomes slightly different. Now, as we move up, 1 more hour, that's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the evening, 11 o'clock, and then when I click it for another hour, it should reset back to 00. There we go. We've done a whole day. Start on hour 0, we're back to 12 midnight now, okay? So the difference is that first number there. Usually, if we go through, when we get to 12 o'clock midday, when I click it for another hour, it would usually turn to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But it doesn't, it goes to 13, okay? Because this used 24-hour clock. Because there's 24 hours in one whole day, from start to finish, okay? Now, there's not much of a difference in the minute section. There's still 5-minute intervals, okay? So that would be 5 minutes past 1. Add another 5, 10 minutes past 1, okay? If I added 30 minutes, now that says 1:40. But you know when we go past the half past, it becomes 2. So the next hour is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, okay? So this becomes 22:02, okay? So have a little look in the resource section at the little task. I would like you to match up the digital timings with the analog timings on the normal traditional clock, okay? Have a little go. It might be a little bit tricky to start off, but time I find is something that when you get the hang of it, you've got it, okay? It could take quite a while to grasp, but once you've got it, you won't even have to think about it. You can just look at the clock and know that that is 20 to 2 in the afternoon, okay? Holvar, have a good one.